In this video, I'll show you how to blur faces in New Premiere using Object Mask tool. Begin by adding a video to the timeline, then select the Object Mask tool, then select the video layer, and under the preview you will see these settings. By default, it might be set to smooth. Make sure you switch it to sharp, because if you don't, it will not allow you to expand the mask selection later. Also expand the arrow and select lasso. Now inside of the preview, click and trace around the face, and it's going to automatically stick to the face. Once the selection is made, in Effect Controls, click the arrow that says Track Selected Mask Forward and Backward. And once the tracking is complete, we can open Effects window, search for Gaussian Blur, and add it to the video layer. And as soon as we do that, the mask will automatically get assigned to the newly added effect. Now under Gaussian Blur, we can adjust the amount and everything to our liking. And under the Object Mask settings, we can now add feather to soften the edges of the selection. And here we have the expansion setting. If we increase that, it will cover more area around the face. And if we preview this now, we have a perfectly blurred face.